Shame in our capital. A week after the horrific rape and torture of a 4-year-old girl in Delhi, 2 more cases of minor girls being gang raped have been reported. In the first case, a 2.5-year-old was gang raped in West Delhi's Nangloi area. Eyewitness reports say the girl was picked up from outside her house by some bikers and then found unconscious a few hours later at a park near her home. The little girl has been admitted to hospital and no arrests have happened so far. In another incident, a 5-year-old was raped by 3 men in East Delhi's Anand Nagar Vihar. Now, this girl was alone in her house. Her parents were at work. 3 people have been arrested in this case. The Delhi police have also released a CCTV footage of the incident in Nangloi where the 2-year-old girl was raped, and according to eyewitness reports, the girl was picked up from outside her house by unknown bikers last night.
हमारे घर के पास में रामलीला हो रहा है। बस वो मेरी बेबी घर से बाहर निकली थी, वो भी 2.5 साल की है, और जैसे वो वहाँ पे डांस हो रहा था, उसका ध्यान बटा, वो डांस देखने के लिए बस 2-3 कदम गई है, तुरंत ही लाइट चली गई और लाइट जाते ही मेरी बेबी को उन लोगों ने उठा लिया। हम लोग उसकी थोड़ी देर बाद लाइट आई और हम अपनी बेबी को ढूंढने लग गए, लेकिन हमें मिली नहीं वो। और उसके बाद 3-4 घंटे के बाद वो हमें कहीं पार्क में मिली।
Behind me is a blockade organized by the residents of Shivram Park, which is where the 2.5-year-old girl lives and where she was brutally raped yesterday. They want speedy justice for this young child. As of now, all the police has is a CCTV footage of the kidnapping and of the people on the bike. The number of the bike has not been confirmed yet, but locals here said, based on the description given to them by the police, they have identified a bike parked about 2 kilometers away from here. However, the police have still not confirmed whether or not it's the same vehicle.
The condition of the baby, who is 5-year-old, is stable. She has undergone a surgery in the form of repair of the damaged tissues. After the repair, she was brought back to the ward where she is recovering very well. She has some kind of a inside powers, which I really cannot say from where she is drawing. She was not afraid. She was not anxious. She was not anxious of the crowd. So she is behaving in a very strong manner.
And in fact, the Delhi Chief Minister visited the families of the 2 girls today. The Delhi Chief Minister blamed the centre and the police for repeated incidents of crime against women and children.
I am willing to cooperate. Please ask LG whether he is willing to cooperate or not. LG का और पुलिस का केवल एक ही काम रह गया है, हम लोगों के काम में रोज टांग अड़ाना। वो हमारे काम में टांग अड़ाने की बजाय MLAs को रोज गिरफ्तार करने की बजाय अगर दिल्ली में महिलाओं की सुरक्षा करना चालू करें तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा LG के लिए और प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं कि उनके अंडर में पुलिस है, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी दें इसका जवाब।
I have with me Swati Malewal here, the chairperson for the Delhi Commission for Women. You've taken the rounds of the hospital, spoken to the parents. What is the condition of the child?
The condition seems to be quite bad because the girl is in very deep pain, and I have been told that she's been operated upon. This was the gang rape of the 5-year-old girl who's here in GTP right now. And in the morning I also visited Sanjay Gandhi Hospital, which is right now where the 2.5-year-old girl is, who was also gang raped last night. And she's also in quite a bad situation, and she's in deep pain, and her body is all swollen up, and she has marks, bites, and all those kind of scratches all across her body.
You've been with the family here. They're very poor. Tell me what is their condition, how they're dealing with this entire issue, because time and again we see these incidents hitting the poorest of the poor because they have to leave their children behind.
Exactly that has happened in this case. The mother is a domestic worker. She just went out, and the people who have done this heinous crime, they were actually residents of the same building. They had just come 1 month back, and they were tenants. And they called the child up, tried to lure the child, and the child refused. The child said that, no, my mother will scream at me, I'm not going to come to you. And then they just kidnapped her, took her upstairs, and in like half an hour they did this. They just committed this extremely heinous crime.